Hi guys, Andrew here from Accelerate Auto Electrics, and today I'm really excited to show you our new battery boxes. So for years we've been using the same battery box. It's required the strap around it and it's been a bit flimsy, and that's pretty much what everybody else has been using. We've just got these on the market. So what they are, they're a modular system. So that they're built by Thunder, and what you get is you get yourself a tray, a very heavy duty tray. It's got 4 mounting points, but also, to be honest, you can mount it through the floor if you need to. And you mount your tray in your ute or the back of your Prado, Land Cruiser, any sort of wagon. This can go in the back or in the tray. This mounts down, and that's all you have permanently. Secondly, your battery box slots straight in. So this gives it a full mounting retaining system, and then just to lock it in, two bolts, down they go, into these points, battery box locked away, safe and sound. If you want to take it to site, so say you're camping, you want to take it down to your fridge or something like that, get these 2 extra bolts, they go in the top, that screws the lid on, this mounts out, you carry this away with you. Now for the battery box, it's got some pretty cool features. So the first thing that we really love is it's got a full strap system in it. So this will strap the battery in. This will fit a 120 amp hour AGM or 100 amp lead crystal or 100 amp lithium. So therefore battery strapped in, battery box strapped to your tray, no other need for straps over the top or mounting straps in the vehicle. Now for the best bit, the top, it's very heavy duty. It comes with 2 cigarette sockets, a dual USB and a voltmeter. It's all got resettable circuit breakers in it, and it's got dual Anderson on the rear. So just as a standalone budget battery box, these are fantastic. But the advantage of these is, with the high lid, what it means is we can fit a DC-DC charger in it. This one here's got a red arc in it, but we can put multiple in there. And the other thing we can also do is change a few of these. So if you want any more information about these battery boxes, please give us a call on 1300 227 353 or drop us a message below.